In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Cash App account over onto Kalshi. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Kalshi like you normally would. Be sure you are signed into your account. Then please go to the top left and then press on these three bars. Afterwards, select over here where it says deposit to Kalshi, and then where it says from, you want to go ahead and press on it. And it's going to give you a bunch of different payment methods that you're able to utilize. But please go ahead and scroll down just a little bit and you should be able to see Cash App Pay. Keep in mind that it has a 5K daily limit. What's great about this is that it is an instant transfer without any fees. So you're able to go ahead and select on how much money you actually want to deposit over to Kalshi. And then you're going to see this Connect Cash App account button right over here. And you just want to go ahead and press on that. Now what that's going to do is that is going to open up Cash App on your device. And then you just want to select on Open Cash App app or Get on it. So you just want to go ahead and press on Open. And then it's automatically going to open up Cash App for you. Of course, you will need to make sure you are signed in. All right, and then it is going to give you a confirmation that looks like this. So all you need to do is you need to press on confirm, and that is going to link the two together. And now you're able to use your Cash App account in order to fund your trades, which of course is very useful. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.